Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and here we do all things lifestyle, fashion, and travel. So if you want to join the squad, you want to join the community, go ahead and click subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you 8 different fashion lessons that can instantly elevate your style. These are lessons that I've kind of accumulated over the year and they've just helped me practice new things in getting dressed every day and when I'm shopping, and also when I'm looking for inspiration, I look for these things to create better outfits. So, lesson 1 is be bold. And I know this is very hard for a lot of us. Being bold it's hard to do. It takes confidence, but there are ways to do it subtly so that you get used to it and you can like slowly implement it into your style, starting with wherever you feel most comfortable. Being bold is pretty generic, but what I mean by being bold is use colors. A lot of people dress only in neutrals, as I'm sitting here in neutrals today, but dress in colors. And if you don't feel comfortable wearing something in all color or wearing a colorful pair of pants yet, try adding a pop of color with your shoes or your purse or a hat or a scarf. These are just really good ways to add a little bit of interest into your outfit and dipping your toe into the water of boldness, if you will. Another way to be bold is to start playing with patterns. I noticed for a long time I really never bought patterns. I just felt most comfortable in a solid color. And when I started implementing things like stripes, plaid, polka dots, other types of patterns that I really liked, I found my outfits to be a little more interesting and it opened up a whole new world of things to buy when I'm shopping. Another way to get more bold is to learn color theory. Now, once you start feeling a little bit more comfortable wearing certain colors and you've kind of worked with color blocking and adding in bits and pieces, a really fun way to be more bold is to learn color theory. And one of the ways that I do this is I wear opposite colors. What you'll need to do is look at a color wheel and then you can find certain colors are opposites of each other. So let's just say your favorite bag is bright blue and you want to make your outfit a little more interesting, you want to add more color, you would pick the opposite color of blue, which is orange, and you could kind of throw that into your outfit with shoes or a scarf or a belt or a hairpiece, a hat, something like that, and you have implemented color theory into your outfit very simply. Lesson number 2 is to layer sheer fabrics. Layering in general always creates more interest in an outfit. There's more to look at when you have multiple layers on. But when you layer with sheer fabric, it's almost like wearing multiple pieces of clothing that you're getting the full picture of. So you can wear a cute bralette with a sheer top or a cute tank top with a sheer top on top. You can even layer a sheer long sleeve shirt underneath a solid piece. A lot of people wear sheer skirts with a more revealing undergarment, or you can even layer leggings or pants under a sheer skirt. There's so many ways you can do this. I also love layering sheer socks. That's one of my favorite ways to do this subtly. Your socks are so fun and they can be really girly and feminine as well. Lesson number 3 is to learn how to accessorize to create a personal touch. Playing with accessories is a must for any outfit, in my opinion. Things like a belt or a necklace, jewelry, things like that. But the more you play with it, the more you'll learn what you really like. You can identify accessories that help to identify you or make your outfits special to you or on brand, if you will. Something like layered earrings in a certain way, always wearing a chunky necklace, lots and lots of bangles. That's one that I absolutely love. I also love ankle bracelets. I don't see those as often, and I think that's such a nice touch to accessorize that can be so personal to you. Funky belts is a good way to do this, or even just having like a signature bag is a great way to create a personal accessory type style to you and your look. My next lesson is to mix materials. This is a lesson that I try to practice every single time I put on an outfit. When I implement this rule, I usually try to mix feminine and masculine. So think like lace with leather or silk with cotton. You can even balance your outfit this way by wearing a very delicate outfit, like think a very feminine dress, and pairing it with really masculine accessories, something big and chunky, metal, hard metal, leather pieces, things like that. What this does to your outfit is creates lots of interest through juxtaposition. Another great combination is silk and denim is a great one to do. Denim is a really easy one because denim is easily really worn casually. So finding really light pieces to go with something very durable is a great way to practice this in your everyday life. I also love knits and metallic. The reason why that works is because you're mixing something very cozy. Your knit, you could do like a big oversized knit sweater or cardigan with metallics, which are often associated with parties or going out, and it just creates a very interesting outfit to look at. Lesson number 5 is mix old and new. To me, if you have good style, you know how to mix new pieces with vintage or used pieces. And I think just seeing that balance is so beautiful to me. I love a worn bag that looks like it has a history, or an old leather coat that just has gone through all of the hard winters. Create a careful curation of new trendy pieces and classic timeless vintage pieces. This is also a great way to have things that other people can't find and to have a very personal touch on the outfit that you're wearing. This one's a tough one, I think. Learn to be judgment free. The more that you can look at someone else's outfit and appreciate it for what it is, even if it's something you would never wear yourself, you'll start to learn new things about how you prefer to dress. You'll be able to elevate your personal style, and you'll also be able to find the good in outfits that maybe you didn't like at first look. This also goes not just to other people, but also to yourself. Learn to be judgment free. When you're creating your personal style, when you get ready in the morning, not every outfit is going to be great. Some of them are going to be terrible, and you're going to look back and think, God, what was I thinking? But when you get dressed in the morning, look in the mirror, and instead of judging yourself or making yourself feel bad about the outfit that you put together, really think about why or what it is you don't like about the outfit that you put together. Be nice to yourself and understand that developing a personal style it's a process. It doesn't just happen overnight. These are lessons that you need to implement into your everyday thought process when you're getting ready and getting dressed. Lesson number 7 is push your boundaries. It's easy to figure out what you feel comfortable in and what you feels safe when you're going outside, especially in reference to our last lesson. You don't want to feel judged, but once you get over judgment and you stop judging yourself, you stop judging others, you won't really care what other people think about you, and you can push your boundaries. Find something that you really like and you've been too scared to wear it, and slowly implement it into your outfits. One of my favorite ways to do this is to find one item that maybe won't be the center of attention in your outfit and being able to implement that carefully. For example, I love leopard print, but when I first started getting dressed and really getting into fashion, leopard print was kind of scary for me to put on. It's very bold, it's very out there, and I think a lot of people kind of judge it. A good way for you to implement something like that is to wear a leopard print belt. Or again, going back to the color, if you want to implement more color, figure out small ways to do it through adding color through your shoes or your bags. Find complex pieces that resonate with you and excite you, and figure out a way to style your way around it. Another great way to do this is to pick something that you really love, and then everything else can be super casual. Think a white t-shirt, a pair of jeans, and a really extravagant boot. Something that's a platform heel with a pattern. Something like that is a great way to get started on pushing your boundaries. And lesson number 5, find inspiration. This is important for anyone on their fashion journey. Finding inspiration is crucial to the growth of developing your personal style. Find your favorite celebrity styles, follow them closely, find out who their stylists are, and follow their style. Follow the stylists. A lot of times, my favorite celebrity stylists share their styling techniques and what they're into at the moment on social media. That's one of my favorite ways to find trends that I'm into. Another good way is to find influencers whose outfits you absolutely love, or you can find inspiration outside of other people. Look towards architecture, travel, interior design, nature even. Find ways that you are inspired every single day and dive into those forms of art. You'll find color palettes or textures. Explore different forms of art when you're diving into fashion. Fashion is an art form, and I think people forget that a lot. Those are my 8 lessons that I've learned this year that I've been practicing. Of course, I haven't mastered them all yet, but they're things that I think about every single day. I also don't think this is something that is ever truly just something you check off. It's something you practice every single day and get better at every single day. There is no perfection when it comes to you, so there's always room for improvement, and you're always doing enough. I'm excited to see all of your guys' personal style journeys. If you guys have watched this video and used this video to curate cute outfits, and you post them on Instagram, be sure to tag me. I'd love to see them. If you don't already, subscribe, and you can follow me on other platforms such as TikTok and Instagram as well for more fashion content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!